We're cruising across the back roads in Nebraska and we spot something really cool. See it? It's right there. Alright, go get your glasses. I'll give you a second. You see that? Can you guess what that is? Yeah, it's a historical landmark. Let's go in for a closer look. Just imagine being on the Oregon Trail in an old covered wagon and spotting this for the first time. And you hear your two little brothers in the back saying, "Who wants to race to the top? On your mark, get set, go!" Pretty cool, huh? Here's the bridge the early settlers took. It was a lot easier than going around. Just kidding.